School to Home is where you send weekly materials such as class activities and spelling lists, as well as any messages you have for parents. Access School to Home by clicking Resources in the navigation banner and selecting School to Home. Your School to Home materials for the current unit and week are displayed by default. If you want to review the materials in a different unit and week, select from the drop-down lists. If you have more than one class, you can select one from the drop-down list. The For the Week tab contains all the materials auto-generated each week by the system, including the family letters. The family letter is scheduled to be sent at the beginning of the week automatically. This letter displays information about the class, as well as this week's word workout and comprehension activities. You can edit this letter, as well as determine who in the class receives it based on their student profile. Students also receive a spelling list each week based on the teaching level you assigned in their student profile. You can edit these lists and determine who receives a specific version of the list each week by clicking Manage Student Profiles. Manage Student Profiles lets you select a different home language or teaching level for each of your students. If you want to send a new message to parents, click the My Messages tab. Here you can create messages, add resources, and determine how long the message displays. Sent messages appear on the Student School to Home page on the Messages tab. This concludes our guide to the School to Home page. Be sure to refer to other help materials for more information about the Wonders program.